Welcome back, viewers. We have some exciting news for all the candidates who have applied for the CRPF Signal Staff Recruitment Exam. The Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF, has released the much-awaited CRPF Signal Staff Admit Card 2023. In this video, we will guide you on how to download your admit card and provide important information about the upcoming exam. So let's get started. The CRPF Signal Staff Recruitment Exam is a golden opportunity for those aspiring to join the Central Reserve Police Force in various Group B and C positions. The vacancies include sub-inspector, SI roles in radio operator, crypto, technical, and civil, as well as assistant sub-inspector, ASI positions in technical and draftsman. To download your CRPF Signal Staff Admit Card 2023, follow these simple steps. For your convenience, we have provided the link to download your CRPF Signal Staff Admit Card 2023 in the description below. Simply scroll down and click on the link to access your admit card directly. It's important to have your admit card ready before the examination day, so make sure to check the description for the link and download your admit card without any delay. That's it for today's video. We hope this information was helpful to all the candidates appearing for the CRPF Signal Staff Recruitment Exam. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on government job opportunities and exam-related news. Wishing you the best of luck in your preparation. Until next time, stay focused, stay determined, and achieve your goals.